Hello, everybody.
And welcome to, Adopt and Raise a Cute Child. I am playing with my in-real-life friend. It's actually a she, but we're pretending to be boys on here, because we're gonna bust some online daters. So if you hear me typing, it's because, well, you know. And me and my friend both have the same name. Because I'm SS96, SS30, but, like, we don't directly have the same name. Because theirs is RR96, RR30. Yay! Okay, I'm not going to be talking as much in this because, well, you know, my friend is playing with me, so I can't really talk as much. But, like, we're gonna be busting some people. Online daters. Now let's do this. We're gonna do this the blue fox plush style because we want to. Okay. Time to think of a plan. Sorry if the typing is getting annoying. Yeah, we're not actual online daters. We're just, you know. Okay. So, before I started recording this, we actually busted a girl because she went up to a girl and said, "Hi, date?" And then she said, "Sure." And then we busted her. And we reported her, even though reporting does nothing. And I know I shouldn't really have reported her, because... Okay. But let's think of something. Let's think of something. Okay, so while she's gonna do something, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys around my house. Even though you guys should already know what it looks like if you play this game, I don't really care. I have nothing to do while we're waiting. I can't pause it because, you know, I'm not gonna pay like $4 billion just to be able to pause something. Okay, so me and Alex, quote unquote, Alex, are best friends. We've known each other for 10 years. Wait, let me count. Okay, we're back. We've known each other for at least 9 years. Because we met when we were like 4. Because me and her are best friends. So you'll see me playing with her a lot and with my cousin a lot. Okay. Okay. So, what now? Look like ourselves. Ugh. Reset. Doop. Where's the reset button? I can't find it, so. Okay. Now, let me get rid of that. Let's put my real name. Look at. Okay, so this is what we look like because, like, we're supposed to be. I don't know. This is just a new account I made. But I won't be using this as much. I'll still be using it. Okay, now they want to know what we're doing. That person. Okay. We have someone helping us. He's gonna try and look like us, I think. I don't know. Oh no! She was watching us the whole entire time. What if she tries to, like, I don't know, look like us? I mean, not look like us, like, try to, I can't talk. Okay, whatever. But what if she tries to date someone and she knows what we're gonna do? Okay. Luke. Okay, we're both named Luke. Now, I'm gonna spell wrong on purpose because that's the whole purpose of my character. I mean, seriously, let me show you. What just happened? See, I'll show you my character real quick. This is taking a minute because, my computer's really slow. Sorry you guys are watching this. You can skip it if you don't want to watch this. Like something. You're gonna fly away from. See, this is me. I only have 2 friends because I made this account today. Plus, here, let me show you my shared. Just get to it. My thing decides to be nice. You know what? Just forget it. I'll show you guys on another video. Okay. No, I want to talk to my friend. He's copying us. I'm private chatting my friend Luke because, well, you know. Three minutes. Three noobs going to stop doing once and for all. Okay. So we got the 3 noobs here. Yeah. Where'd she go? Stop it. Don't do what we're doing. Okay, I had to say that. I mean, seriously. Karate kick. Jump! Okay, got it? Good. Who are you guys? Where are the 3 doing busted noobs? Oh, why did I say that? They were saying no on everybody. Okay, guys. I'm gonna end the video here. but I'll be back soon.